Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video, let's take a look at how to level up fast in Heartopia. Now there are a few things that we can go ahead and do to level up fast in Heartopia. The main one is to of course go ahead and continue with the main quests. So there will be some quests available for you by clicking on the tab right here, and then just go ahead and click on memo right here. Now here you can go ahead and complete all of the main stories that you have, as well as some side quests. So make sure to go ahead and complete this, as they will allow you to unlock new features and hobbies for you to go ahead and play. Now also take a look at some of the daily quests that you can complete. So say for example, I have right here on the top left all of the daily requests from our residents right here. Now this can be unlocked once that you have spoken to the mayor right here, and then just go ahead and accept them right here. Now once that you have completed all of these tasks, this will allow you to go ahead and level up quickly as well. And another one would be to go ahead and improve your hobby level right here. So what you would need to do is to go ahead and unlock all of these up by completing all of these quests as needed. So say for example, for fishing, level all of these up by collecting 20 fishes. For cooking, go ahead and create 34 food. Gardening is the plants as well as that. So say for example, I have planted some tomatoes right here, so just go ahead and collect this. So as you can see, my gardening proficiency is improving over time. This will allow you to go ahead and level up very quickly. And also when it comes to catching fishes, when you go ahead and catch something new, this will have a massive XP boost on the first 10 catches that you get. Another thing to quickly level up is to go ahead and take a look at some of the rewards or events, like so. And this will allow you to go ahead and unlock many things and level up quickly. Now don't forget to also check the weather for special recipes on rainy or rainbow days, which will be unlocked as you progress with your cooking. And one final thing is, instead of grinding one thing, go ahead and mix different activities together for steady progress. So don't just focus on fishing or cooking or even gardening. Go ahead and complete all of the other quests, and of course go ahead and level up your building right here for you to go ahead and continue with your progression. And there you go. I hope that you have found this video helpful. See you guys next time.